Alright, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Katie, if you guys don't already know, and thank you so much for clicking on my video. So in today's video, we're going to be doing another mukbang, as you guys can tell, and this is going to actually be In-N-Out, which is like my favorite fast food restaurant in the world. It's like my fast food period. So yeah, I literally am so excited to dig in. We have the animal style fries over here, the animal style cheeseburger, and then the grilled cheese, which I've never tried the grilled cheese, so we're going to be trying that out. And then we just have some of their little pepperoncinis or yellow peppers, whatever, some extra sauce packets, and then the Neapolitan shake. This is a chocolate, strawberry, and vanilla shake all swirled together, so so good. Okay guys, I already got my thumbnail, so oh god, it's hot, it's hot, it's hot, it's hot outside. Okay, but yeah, I already got my thumbnail, so let's just dig right on in, shall we? I think we shall. So bomb every time, and I finally live close to an In-N-Out now. One came to me, and now it's always hot when I get home. It's just insanely good. And then I get extra sauce packets too once like the sauce in here starts to wear away. I'm just a lover of In-N-Out. All this stuff, you guys, is only $12. And it has some really good prices, honestly. Okay, let's try their burger, which I am not going to eat the burger upside down this time. The last burger I ate was a Five Guys burger on here, and I ate it upside down like this. So freaking weird. I don't know why I did that. Okay, but let's just try this. I already showed you guys, but there's that. Amazing. These little pepperoncinis, yellow peppers, whatever, go so good with the burger. I actually dyed my hair, guys. It used to be like a medium brown color. No, it's dark brown or black. I don't know what you want to call it. I like having dark hair over lighter brown hair. I just feel more like myself, you know? Oh guys, this is so bomb. Like, honestly, look at that. I love it now, guys. It's just so simple and delicious. To me, it's not overrated. Like, a lot of people say In-N-Out's overrated, but okay. So let's try this grilled cheese here. It has raw onion, spread, lettuce, tomato, cheese. So everything besides the pie. Delicious. I really love their meat, but honestly, like without it, it's, you can't tell. Guys, tell me why these spread packets are always so dang hard to open. Okay, there we go. I already have like a lot of In-N-Out mukbangs on here, but it's just so good. And I'm always down for some In-N-Out. So guys, today I went to a rummage sale for the first time ever. It was a church rummage sale. It was really awesome. They had literally so many little things. And after that, me and my mom just hit up garage sales. And yeah, that's been my day. I'm gonna go to work after this. And yeah, pretty solid day. I got my nails done too, guys. For anyone knows what it is, I got the SNS powder. Really nice. It just takes a really long time. Because apparently, I did not know this. I don't know why he didn't care to tell me this when I first got them. But when you get SNS nails, you have to start over. You have to get a new fill you have to get a new set every time you come in. There is no such thing as like a fill apparently for the SNS nails, or at least they don't do it at the particular one I went to because it's not advised to, because what happens with the nails for SNS is they start to peel upwards. So that way water can kind of get in and it gets trapped, and then like mold and bacteria starts. Well, I don't know why I'm talking about this while we're eating, guys, but that starts and it can actually cause really bad health issues. So you get a new set. I don't know if you told me that just so I would pay more money, but who knows. I think they were $35, and then plus another $5 because I had a certain shape, I guess. I don't know. But My previous set lasted longer than like regular acrylic nails would. Oh, that's a good burger. I hope you all are having an amazing day today. I've just been living the dream, not going to school. It's the weirdest feeling knowing that I won't be going to my high school ever again. Weird. But also like the best feeling ever. And also, if you guys don't already follow me on Instagram, follow me on there for some, I don't know, behind the scenes action. You guys hear that out there? My mom's wrapping up packages. This is just kind of a spur of the moment video. Like, I just want to put a video out there. Let's do it. And here we are. What type of mukbang would you guys want to see next? Let me know. I also do other types of videos too, so if you guys ever want to see those, let me know about that as well. Simply bomb. My mom really has to be doing packages right now for my video. Mom, if you're watching this, how rude. So amazing. And guys, I try and get every last onion. My boyfriend's always like, really? Do you need to do that? I'm like, yeah. I do actually. Ooh, well, I'm quite full. It looks like I normally eat one hamburger and I ate like half there, so it makes sense, you know. Oh, In-N-Out is just one of the best foods ever to me, honestly. Like, whoever thought of the combination of Thousand Island cheese and grilled onions is just a little mastermind. Time is it? I didn't think I would really like the Neapolitan shake, but I tried it a while ago in a video. I loved it. I shouldn't, but I want more. Grilled cheese is really good. She said you can also get it without the tomato, onion, and lettuce, but that just seems boring, right? It's a good option though if you're like if you don't eat meat. Okay. I think you've had enough food for once, Katie. Alright guys, so that will be it for this video. I am completely stuffed. That In-N-Out was so amazing. It literally always is. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and like always, I will see you in the next video. Bye guys!